A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Thursday and it's time to learn English. In today's class, we will read story number 8, The Picnic from Fitzroy Reader book. After that, we will learn a new sound from Phonics Pupil book. After that, I am going to teach you to write cursive L in your English notebook as well as in the workbook. Then we will practice our new rhyme, The Wheels of the Bus. So children, let's start our learning. Children, now bring your Fitzroy Reader's book. And now open page number 116, 116. We are going to read story number 8, The Picnic from beginning. Okay? So now see children. Let's read it. J at jet, IS is 6. Jet is 6. This is a girl. Her name is Jet and she is 6 years old. J imma Jim, IS is 10. Jim is 10. This boy, his name is Jim and he is 10 years old. Now children, page number 117. Pa at a pat, IS is J at Jet's mum. Pat is Jet's mum. This lady, she is sitting here. Her name is Pat and she is Jet's mum. She is Jet's mother. Ta Tom, IS is Jim's dad. Tom is Jim's dad. Children, look here. This man is sitting here. He is Jim's dad. He is Jim's papa and his name is Tom. See, they all are sitting together. It is a family and they are sitting, they are reading and they are drinking tea and coffee. Now turn the page, come to page number 118. L at a let, us, go, on, a, pa ik a pick, ik a nick, picnic. SAID said, Tom. Let us go on a picnic, said Tom. He's Tom and he said, let us go on a picnic. YES, yes. SAID said, pa at a pat. Yes, said Pat. Pat said, yes. We should go on a picnic. She said, yes. Page number 119. YES, yes. Let us, let's, HAVE, have, a, pa, ik a pick, ik a nick, picnic. SAID said, J at a jet, and J imma Jim. Yes, let's have a picnic, said Jet and Jim. Both children, they also agreed, yes, let's go on a picnic. So they both agreed and the mother and father, they also agreed to go on a picnic. Children, picnic is an outdoor activity in which you go outside and you have fun with your games, with your toys, and then there people eat. They bring some food from their home, some food, fruits, and they used to play some games and they used to have lots of fun. It is a picnic. Picnic is an outdoor activity. Now turn the page, come to page number 120. WILL, will, HAVE, have, swim, in, the, on, the pond. SAID said, J at a jet. I will have a swim in the pond, said Jet. Jet, this girl, her name is Jet and she said, I will have a swim in the pond. She wants to have a swim in the water, in the pond. 121, page number 121. Now see what Jim is saying. And I, WILL, will, go, FOR, for, a run. SAID said, J imma Jim. And I will go for a run, said Jim. See, Jet said, I will have a swim in the pond. And then Jim said, and I will go for a run. He wants to run in the ground. So he said, I will go for a run, said Jim. Turn the page, come to page number 122. Now see what mother and father are doing. The, son, ga oughta got, ha oughta hot. The sun got hot. See, everybody was there outside in the sun. So the sun got hot. It was daytime. Pa at a Pat. W-A-S was her otter hot. Pat was hot. She was outside. See, and what she is doing? She is flying kite. Tom is also flying kite. So Pat was hot. Ta Tom. W-A-S was her otter hot. Tom was hot. Ja et a jet. A-N-D and. Ja im a Jim. Ga otter got. Her otter hot. T-O-O-2. Jet and Jim got hot too. The children, Jet and Jim, they also got hot because they were also flying kites and they were playing outside. So the sun got hot and so they. Page number 123. It, W-A-S was, just, A-S as, her otter hot, F-O-R for, ja et a jet, A-N-D and, ja im a Jim, A-S as, it, W-A-S was, F-O-R for, ta Tom, A-N-D and, pa at a Pat. It was just as hot for Jet and Jim as it was for Tom and Pat. Children, Jet and Jim were also feeling that much hot as Tom and Pat were feeling hot. They both were, these all four were feeling as hot as each other. They all were feeling very hot. Now turn the page. Come to page number 124. See what they are saying. W-I-L-L will, G-O go, F-O-R for, W-I-M a swim, T-O-O-2. I will go for a swim too. S-A-I-D said, J-I-M a Jim. See children, earlier Jet went for a swim. Now Jim is also saying that I will go for a swim too because he was feeling very hot. Children, now page number 125. Tom, A-N-D and, pa at a Pat, went, F-O-R for, W-I-M a swim, T-O-O-2. Tom and Pat went for a swim too. He is Tom and she is Pat. They both also went for a swim because they were feeling very hot. W-A-S was fun. It was fun because they all got relief from the hot weather. So they had fun. Now turn the page. Come to page number 126. Children, after swimming, they were hungry and they got lots and lots of different types of food. So they were hungry. Now see, they are eating their food. T-H-E the, pa ik a pick, n ik a nick, picnic. W-A-S was for fun. S-A-I-D said, ta Tom, T-O-2, pa at a Pat. The picnic was fun. Now Tom is saying to Pat, the picnic was fun. He enjoyed a lot. W-A-S was fun, F-O-R for, us, T-O-O-2. It was fun for us too. S-A-I-D said, ja et a jet, T-O-2, ja im a Jim. Now children also said to each other, it was fun for us too because they had changed, they enjoyed, they played a lot, they had swim, they flied kites. So they enjoyed a lot. So they also said it was fun for us too. Said Jet to Jim. Said Jet to Jim. So children, in this way you have to read story number 8. Now it comes to the end. Children, now bring your phonics pupil book 1. And now open page number 36. Today you will learn the sound of ow. The O-U together sounds like ow. So what action you have to do? Pretend your finger is a needle. See, this finger is a needle and you have, and prick your thumb like this. And then say ow. See, just suppose that this is a needle and it prick your thumb. And what you will say then? Ow, ow. Alright children. See, this is a needle and this is a thread. So you have to color it also. You will enjoy this part. Now let's write. First you have to trace and write the sound O-U, ow. Like this. O and U together say ow. Ow. And here you have to write on your own. So make O and then U. Ow. Like this. Now let's revise these sounds. Ch, ch, sh, the, this is th, qua, like this, and here you have to write on your own. Qua. Now let's read the words which has ow sound. See, ka, out, cloud. Cloud means this, badal. Pa, out, proud. Out, mouth. This is mouth. Sh, out, shout. Sh, out, shout. Again, cla, out, cloud. Pa, out, proud. Out, mouth. Sh, out, shout. In this way, children, you have to read these words. Now, 3 of these pictures have an ow sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. See, children, this is a cloud. This is a house. This is a mouth. And this is cheese. So, cheese does not have an ow sound. So, you have to cross cheese. And now, children, you have to turn the page. See, children, this is page number 42. Children, in the first part, you have to draw a picture for each word like ant, van and cup. Now, the second part is fill in the missing letters. See, this is what? This is a mixer. So, first you have to write like this. First, you have to trace and write. Ma, I, S, and R, mixer, like this. Now see, children, this is a queen. So what you will write? Qua. Remember the sound. Qua. In a queen, like this. This is chin. So cha, cha, I, n, chin. Children, see, what is this? This is a hen. So, how you will write? H, n, hen, like this. This is a sun. S, n, sun. Ant, n, t, ant. Children, this is a log. L, o, g, log. This is 6. X, 6. This is a ring. R, I, ng, ring. In this way, you have to finish this page. So finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, today I will teach you to write cursive L. L for leaf, L for lamp, L for lion. Look here, children, this is capital L and this is cursive L. Children, this is today's date. Today is 25th February 2021. Now I will teach you to write cursive L. So put your pencil on the second blue line, children, and take support of this red line which is on your left hand side. So from here you have to go up like this. make a little curve and go up and touch this red line. And then, children, you have to make a little loop like this. And from here, you have to turn it a little bit like this. In this way, you have to write cursive L. And see, children, there should be this much of gap between two lines. Now again, I am going to show you. From here, you have to start from the second blue line from here. See, like this, you have to go up, touch the red line, and then you have to make a loop like this. And you have to turn it a little bit. And you have to write it in one go. Okay? Don't remove your hand in between. And this L should be slim. Don't make it like this. This is wrong. And this way you have to come back to the second blue line and you have to touch it and turn it a little bit. In this way you have to write cursive L. Now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now it's time to write cursive L in the notebook. First write today's date. Today is 25th February 2021. Like this. Now let's start writing. Children, put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line. And like this, you have to go up. You have to make a little curve. Go up, make a little loop like this and then turn it like this. In this way, you have to write cursive L. Like this. Come back to the second blue line and turn it a little bit. Like this. Children, now see, this loop is not correct, so this is wrong. You will not write like this. Now see, what is the correct way? From here you have to go up, touch the red line and then come back, make a loop like this. In this way you have to write. Like this. You have to write full page of L. Children, in this way you have to write cursive L and the sound of L is L. And L for lamp. Like this. Alright, so finish one page of L in your English notebook and send its picture to me. Children, now bring your My First Try It in English workbook. And now open page number 52. Children, today you will write cursive L in this page. But first you have to do an activity in which you have to paste the matchstick on the dotted lines. See children, this is a ladder. L for ladder means CD. Now see, on these dotted lines you have to paste a matchstick. And then you can color it also. Alright? Take help of your mummy and papa while pasting this matchstick. Okay, now let's start writing. You have to join the dots. From here you have to start, see, like this. First you have to trace and write. This is L. And see, this is going up, coming down on the second blue line, the way I taught you in the notebook. Now here you have to write on your own. So go up, touch the pink line, come back on the second blue line and turn it a little bit like this. In the same way you have to finish it here till here, and in these two blocks you have to write on your own like this. See. So you have to finish this page, children. And from here you have to write your own till this page you have to finish, and this page you can do it later on. Alright, so finish this page, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to recite our new rhyme, The Wheels of the Bus, with actions. So let's start it. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the day. The children in the bus go jumping around, jumping around, jumping around. The children in the bus go jumping around all through the day. The bell in the bus goes trin, 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 trin. The bell in the bus goes trin, trin, trin all through the day. The horn in the bus goes pom, 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 pom. The horn in the bus goes pom, pom, pom all through the day. The seat in the bus go bum, 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 bum. The seat in the bus go bum, bum, bum all through the day. The driver in the bus goes shoo, 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 shoo. The driver in the bus goes shoo, shoo, shoo all through the day. Children, in this way, you have to recite this rhyme with actions. So make your videos on it and send them to me. I will see you in your next class. Bye-bye.